Hey guys, this is Jack here with another iPhone app review. Today we're going to take a look at QR code readers. And a QR code it looks like something like this. It's this matrix barcode, 2D, and it has this, you can decode the message and you can find a link sometimes that people want you to look at, or a text message or whatever. So the point of here is how to read this code. And I found a lot of applications. There's no need to buy an application because you can easily find free applications. So I took a look at 5 free applications. So I'm going to take a look at Barcodo, ID Coder, QR Reader, Scanner, and Z-Bar. So let's go take a look. First, we're going to take a look at Barcodo, and that's spelled B-A-K-O-D-O. So first, let's launch the application, and it immediately goes to the camera, and then I put the code in there. And really quickly, it just gives me the link. I can open the URL within a built-in browser, or I can go back. I can go back, and I can view the scan data, which is basically the text behind the code. And it automatically knows whether it's a URL, it's a picture, it's a text message, or something like that. And you can also search for other things too. You can search, the ISBN number, barcode, and you can, use search manually if it doesn't pick up the code. And of course, you also have your history, and of course, you have a bunch of other options that you can, turn on beeps and other things like that. So that is Barcodo. Next, we're going to take a look at ID Coder. And ID Coder has a companion app called iEncoder. And iEncoder is basically a companion app that gives you a code, and ID Coder will decode this code. So once you open it up, you get this nice interface that tells you welcome to ID Coder. Click on the upper button here, choose QR code from camera. And then what's really good about this application is that you can choose a QR code from your library, which means that you can maybe take a picture of one and then save it, and then decode the code, the QR code later on. Now I'm going to move and scale and unlock. Decode error, please try again. Okay, so iDecoder sucks. Let's move on to the next application. Next, we're going to take a look at, let's see, QR Reader. So Q Reader, and it gives you this camera application. And I'm going to take a picture of that. Okay, I'm going to take a picture. And Q Reader or QR Reader, it takes a little bit more time than other applications I found. But again, I'm waiting for it to decode, and the decodes automatically gives me a link. And just get out. I think it crashed. Let me get out of there. No, it's stuck. Okay, so QR Reader sucks. So let's move on. Next, we're going to take a look at Scanner, and it has it's just named Scanner. And let's take a look. Okay, and I don't know if I tapped on it to do that, or it just automatically did that. But again, it brings you automatically, doesn't give you any options, and it's loading the movie, which is, or loading a clip, which is a mixtape of Korean pop songs. And that is Reader. And lastly, we're going to take a look at Z-Bar. And Z-Bar is this pretty cool application. And okay, so let's just tap here. The interface is very similar to Red Laser. So you just tap on this little middle icon, you get this little camera. And once you hold the thing steady, it will give you a bunch of options like open a URL, whether you want it, when you scanned it, the type, and the data, of course. And you can edit all this stuff too. And yeah, so that's pretty much Z-Bar. So you guys seen all five QR Reader applications, and I'm gonna give you a code. I'm gonna give you an image, and this is a QR code I created, and you can decode this message using your own favorite application. Those 5 I listed are all free, so go download one of them today. And if you want to know my personal favorite, it's really simple. All you have to do is go and decode the code that you'll see on the screen right about now. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please follow me on Twitter. I am twitter.com/beautifulcode. And again, decode the QR code little thing you see on the screen right now, and then you will know my personal favorites. So yeah, thanks guys for watching again as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.